Welcome to Media Workbench, where we teach you design, media, and programming skills in a simple and engaging way. We show you how you can use the different programs in the Adobe Creative Suite and break down complex concepts so that you can not only understand the how, but also the why. Discover new ways to be creative or learn a new skill in a piece of software you're already familiar with. You can even grab one of our free resources that we put out from time to time. And the best part is it's free. We're incredibly passionate about supporting this community, and so for us we don't want anything stopping anyone from being able to learn something new about the design and media that we all love to share. However, making these videos takes a lot of time. They can often take days, weeks, months, researching and experimenting to find the best methods, writing and perfecting scripts, let alone recording and then animating. And while we want to put out more videos than ever before, we still need to keep the lights on. This is where you come in. Through Patreon, you can be a part of us empowering and supporting this community, helping others learn new skills and techniques and push their creativity that little bit more. If you're just as passionate as us or have already grown from watching our videos, we invite you to join us on this journey. In turn, the videos you help us make in any given month will feature your name as someone who helped make it all possible. We look forward to continuing to make amazing content that teaches and inspires, and we hope you'll support us in that.